What we're going to do today is look at simplifying exponents. The specific property is product property, and product property states that when a base is the same, so in this case a, then what we do is we take the exponents and we find the sum of them. We add them up. So as an example, if we have 2 to the third, that would be the same thing as 3 2's multiplied together. If we have 2 to the fourth, that would be the same as 4 2's multiplied together. If we count them, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That would be 7 2's, so that's why it's 2 to the 7th. So notice that with our exponents, whenever we multiply, what we're really doing is we're counting or adding the exponents. So with our examples, 3 to the second times 3 to the second would be 3 to the fourth. We're going 2 plus 2. And 3 to the fourth is 81. With the x's, when we're multiplying, we're adding the exponents. So that would be x to the ninth. With the next one, we have 2 times 3. That would be 6. And then with the exponents, we add them up. 2 plus 7 is 9. For the next one, we have x to the 6th and x to the 4th. That would be x to the 10th. If we don't see an exponent, we know that it's 1. 1 plus 3 gives us a 4. Let's look at a couple others. Here we have 5 to the 5th, and that is 3125. If we look at the x's, we add them up, so that gives us x to the 11th. Here we multiply the 5 and the 7, which is 35. We add up the exponents. 1 plus 6 gives us a 7. And then for the last one, when we add up the exponents, 3 plus 10 gives us 13. 2 plus 5 gives us 7. Now, let's look at power property. Power property says that when we have an exponent raised to an exponent, what we're doing is we're multiplying the exponents. So as an example, if we have 2 to the third, that would be 3 2's, and we have 4 groups of that. So we have our 4 groups. If we count them, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. That's how we're getting 2 to the 12th. Here we have 2 to the 9th, and that would be 2 times 2, which is 4, times 2, which is 8, times 2, which is 16. Another 2 would be 32. Another 2 would be 64. Another 2 would be 128. Another 2 would be 256. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have one more. Another 2, if we multiply it, gives us 512. So our answer is 512. Here, an exponent to an exponent, we multiply x to the 20th. Here we have 2 to the second and x to the 14th. 2 to the second we know is 4, so 4x to the 14th. Here we distribute the 6 to each of the terms, and that gives us x to the 6th, y to the 12th. And for our last row, this would be 3. 2 times 3 gives us a 6. That would be 3 times 3 is 9, times 3 is 27, times 3 is 81, times 3 gives us, 243. And if we multiply it by 3 again, that gives us 729. Exponent to an exponent, we multiply. That would be x to the 30th. We distribute the 3, and that would be 3 to the third and x to the 12th. 3 to the third is 27, x to the 12th. And our last one, we distribute the 2 to each of the parts, and that would be 5 to the second, x to the second, y to the 10th. And we know 5 to the second is 25.